Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Music how to find my playlist. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find your playlist on Amazon Music, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Amazon Music app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. And once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply navigate to the library tab on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside the library tab, on the top of the tab you'll find a bunch of options, and among them you'll find the option that says playlist. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside there, all you gotta do is locate the playlist that you want to view or play. And then so that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.